Secretary, how about the attendance?
All present, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Who among you can read the objectives?
Ma'am.
Anyone? Okay, very good.
Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to first, define permutation. Second, illustrate the permutation of objects. 3, solve problems involving permutation.
Okay, thank you. You may sit. Okay. Before we'll go to our discussion, let's have an activity. Okay? Group yourselves into 5. And, okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, you choose one representative and come here in front, for we will be having our activity. Okay. Inside this,
Yes, ma'am.
inside this box has an 11 letters. And all you have to do is to list down all the possible words that you know within 2 minutes only. Okay? A representative. Oh, Nara. Okay. You have to ano? Time's up. Okay. Okay, representative, please read the possible words.
Permutation, ma'am.
Okay, permutation only. Very good. Very good. Okay. And the longest word is permutation. As you observe, our activity is what we call. No, what is the activity that we did? To arrange the 11 letters into words. Can you arrange, right? Okay. Without knowing, every one of you did a permutation, and that is our lesson for today. The permutation rather. Okay. Let's move on to our discussion. Okay. Permutation is the arrangement of all parts of a set of objects with proper order. Okay, eyes on the board. This is the formula of permutation. Rather. Okay. B, N, and R is equal to N factorial. You will read this as factorial, this one. Okay? N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. If taken R at a time. Okay? This is the formula you will use if taken R at a time. However, if taken all at a time, you will use this one. P, N, and N is equal to N factorial. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay. Let's have an example. you to understand. 10 runners join the race. In how many possible ways can they be arranged as first, second, and third place? Okay, we have this formula ha. Kasi ang ipangita is taken R at a time. So, we will use this formula. P, N, and R is equal to N factorial divided by N minus, this is a minus, minus R factorial. Okay. Okay, the value of N is 10, R is 3. Why 3? 1, 2, 3. First, second, and third. And this is the 10 or the N factorial. Okay, the N, and then 10 divided by 10 minus 3 equals, when you copy this 1, and then 7 factorial. 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial. Okay, you can use your cell phone. Okay, 10 factorial is equals to 3,680,000 divided by 7 factorial is 5,400. And if you divide this, it will be 720. Okay. You can use your cell phone to calculate. Okay, this time we will have another example. Another example. Okay. Okay. In how many ways can 5 people arrange themselves in a row for a picture taking? Okay, this time the second example is you will be asked taken all at a time. So we will use this formula. P N is equal to N factorial. Okay, we have 5. So write this one. 5 is equal to 5 factorial. Okay. What is the answer? What is the 5 factorial? Yes, very good. 120. So, 120 is the ways can people arrange themselves in a row for a picture taking. Okay, very good. 120. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I want you to ask, how do you solve for n permutation taken at all time? Taken at all time. What is the formula we will use if it is taken at all time? Okay, very good. This one. P, N, and N is equal to N factorial. Kanang mahibanan na ninyo if depende siya sa given problem. If there is only one given number or one given it is automatically this one taken at all time. However, if there is a second given number, it is taken R at a time. Or P N R is equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. Okay, did you get it? Okay, very good. So you already know the difference between the two formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. This time, I want you to answer this. It is not a quiz, ha? It is just another example for you to understand well. Okay. We will answer this one. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, we have P. Okay, ma'am, you'll answer. P, 6, and then 6 factorial. Okay, what is the answer? You can use your phone. Can I borrow your phone? Okay. Okay. Okay, so 6 factorial is equal to 720. Okay, the answer number 1 is 720. How about number 2? What will be the formula we will use? What will be the formula? Okay, very good. Taken R at a time. Okay, we will use the taken R at a time. Okay, this P is 5 and then 5 is equal to 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 5 factorial. Okay, copy 10. 5 is equal to 10 factorial minus 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 factorial. Okay. 10 factorial is equals to 3,628,000 divided by 5 factorial is 120. Okay, what is the answer? 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial or 120 is equal to 30,240. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. That is the answer number 2, ha? Number 2. This. Okay, number 3. P83 is equal to 8 factorial minus 8 divided by 8 minus 3 factorial. Okay, you copy 8 factorial divided by, so 8 minus 3 equals 5 factorial. Okay, what is the 8 factorial? 8 factorial is equals to 40,320 divided by 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 120. Okay, you divide this one. The 8 factorial divided by 120 is equals to 336. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, this time, a teacher wants to assign 4 different tasks for students. In how many possible ways she can do it? Okay, 4. So, we will use the taken all a time formula. This one. P n is equal to n factorial, or you will write 4 is equal to 4 factorial. Okay. Pila man ang 4 factorial? Is equal to 24. Very good. 24. Okay. Now, do you understand the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any clarification?
No, ma'am.
So, I assume that you are ready for a quiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Or basig na ako'y wala na sabdan, you can ask. You can ask. Sige na, you can ask. Sige na, para maklaro na to. Asa dapit naglibog. Okay, dapit naglibog, kay explain ni ma'am. Wala na jud, sure na jud nga nasabtan. So, mag-expect na kog perfect score from the class. Okay, perfect na ba? Yes, you can ask questions.
Excuse me, ma'am. For the question, ma'am, on 8, 3 factorial, 8 factorial all over.
5 factorial. Paunsa ta nakakuha ani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Since this is the given, diba? Number 3, 8, 8. This is the formula we'll use. Ha?
Yes, ma'am.
8 factorial divided by, copy this, diba? And pareha sila. So, meaning 8 ra po imong ibutang dira. You copy and then, ang R is this one, 3. 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3. 8, you copy this, another, ha? 8 factorial, and then divided by 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So, this is the answer. 8, not totally answer ha. Ano siya? Substitution pa siya. 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial. So, mo na ni siya. 8 factorial is equals to 40,320 divided by 5 factorial is 120. So that you divide this one and the answer is 336.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, are we clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
And one of the class ba nga naipangutana, na confusion?
None,
None, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone? So wala na jud. That means kasabot na jud ang tanan sa ako ang discuss. Okay, so you already know the definition of permutation and the function of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So this time I am giving you a quiz. So you get one half sheet of paper. Okay. One half sheet of paper ha. This will be the evaluation. Okay. You answer on your one half sheet of paper. Number 1, you only have 3 items. P, 7 and 7. P, 10 and 2. And then number 3, how many distinguishable permutations are possible with all the letters of the word mission? Okay. You answer this in 10 minutes. Okay. Starts now. Okay. Okay na? Done? Okay, pass your paper ha. Pass your paper. Okay, how do you find our lesson for today?
Interesting, ma'am.
Very interesting. Okay.
Exciting.
Overwhelmed. Very good. Very good. How can give summary of our lesson? Anyone from the class? Summary of our lesson. Okay, the summary of our lesson is the permutation. Permutation is the arrangement of all parts of a set of objects with proper order. Okay, so if you madungogan ninyo ang permutation, you have to remember that permutation is a set of an objects with a proper order, and it has a two formula. The taken or at the time and taken all at the time, and this is the formula. Okay. Am I understood?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Loud and clear.
Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, this time, is all papers here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So this time, you will have an assignment. Okay, assignment. You copy this one in your notebook and pass this on Monday. One whole sheet of paper. Okay? answer activity 7 of your learners module on page 123 in a one whole sheet of paper. Okay? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. That's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, classmates. Goodbye.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the cooperation. Okay, you may go home now and